Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hilda L. Brown and today we are going to be preparing celery juice. As you see, this is a celery stem. I'm not including the leaves because it's not that necessary. The juice that you get alone from the celery stem is enough for you to prepare celery juice, okay? And celery juice has a lot of vitamin K, potassium, folate, which are good for the body, and it is also a very extremely detoxifying ingredient. Okay, most people use it in food like one of the ingredients, but just prepare celery itself and drink it without adding any other thing to it. Do not add a little bit of ginger or a little bit of lemon or lime to change the flavor a little bit. No, I know that the taste in the mouth is not good, but if you know about the benefit of drinking celery juice on an empty stomach, guys, you do that every day. It is best when you have not eaten anything. Okay, it will work wonders on an empty stomach. So early in the morning you can just prepare a fresh celery juice and you drink it. It is going to kill a lot of viruses, bacteria, parasites, fungi that is in your stomach, and even all toxins that have built up over time in your stomach. It is going to flush everything out and your stomach will be very clean. It also helps to make digestion faster and easier. So guys, right now I'm going to show you how to make celery juice, but before we go there, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Okay, let's get started. So guys, now we are going to make our celery juice, and the ingredients you need are just celery stems and water. That's all. So you harvest your celery stem, you cut the part that is closer to the root and you throw away just like this. Then the rest of it, you just cut them into smaller sizes, put them in a blender and you blend. Now I want you to know that celery is very high in anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it best for people with arthritis, people with rheumatism and all that. And most people who are getting old usually have these problems, especially African mothers. So drinking celery juice every morning is really going to help them feel better a lot. But there is one other thing. If you are a high blood patient, that is, if you have high blood pressure, you need to be careful with this. You don't drink it more than twice a week, because celery has a very high amount of sodium, which makes it not good for patients with high blood pressure. All right, so you have to be careful with that one. So now we have put our celery inside our blender. We just added a cup of water, and now all we have to do is blend. Okay, so that's our celery and we are going to blend now. As you see, it's blending very well. So now that you are done blending, all you have to do is you look for a sieve with fine mesh and you pour the blended celery in the sieve. This way, the juice of the celery will be collected in a bowl underneath it, and in the sieve, you are going to have the fibers. You can use a spoon to press the blended celery against the sieve so that you collect more of the juice underneath it, and the rest of the fiber, you don't have to throw it away. It still has a lot of nutrients, so you can keep this aside and you use it to prepare your tomato stew. It's very good for that. Okay guys, so your celery juice is done. All you have to do now is to drink it. As I said before, it is best to drink it within the first 12 hours. This is because after the first 12 hours, the juice will not be fresh anymore, which means that most of the nutrients will start changing its form. Okay, and it is not good when it is decayed. Some people can keep it in the fridge and drink for the next day. Not so bad, but please never keep something in the fridge for more than 2 days. It is not good. Okay, the fridge is there just to slow down the process of decaying, but it does not stop the nutrients from changing its form. Okay guys, so now that is your celery juice and it is ready. So as you see, it is quite easy to prepare, and I prepared just enough quantity for me to drink 2 glasses. I've poured one and this is the rest of it in my bowl. So everything is done, and guys, enjoy with me. Okay, it is quite refreshing. You know, celery has a lot of water in it, so I'm going to hydrate my body well enough and detoxify it to the highest level. As I said before, due to the high level of anti-inflammatory properties of celery juice, I'm very sure I'm going to be fine. No inflammatory problems or diseases. So I want to believe that this video interests you, and if that is true, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, like this video and share it. We need people to be informed about the benefit of every ingredient that they are using, so that they will know which ingredient to use and which not to use depending on their health situations. So the celery juice is a very good option for everybody, except for the fact that if you are having a high blood pressure problem, you don't need to drink it every day. Guys, join me and enjoy. Thank you for staying with me up to now, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye bye.